Hello, my crafty friends. I do hope you're well. I've got you at a different angle today. I've got an overhead tripod. I'm hoping this will work. If not, you'll just be seeing the completed journaling for today. Here is my woodland journal. Now I have gone ahead, pottered around because I tend to have like 10 minutes free here, 10 minutes free there. So I'll show you what I've got so far. Put my hand there so you can't see this. Do you like my new ring? It's a mood ring. It changes colour. I've got these stocked on the website. I do have a website. I'll tell you about it later. But here is a beautiful squirrel. Now, if you follow me, you'll know squirrels are an everyday part of my life. I'm very passionate. Here in the UK, they want to eradicate all grey squirrels and to let the reds survive. I completely disagree, but this isn't what this video is about. But I will always support my greys, especially my babies outside. We have a lovely grey squirrel, and then we have a woodland scene. And I just like lace. I put some lace on, I put some ribbon, but to be really honest, the lace is actually hiding. Down here wasn't too great. I am new to journaling, so we've done that. And here, in the hush of the woodland, life stirs gently beneath the trees. Foxes wander, owls watch, and deer move like whispers through the light. Every leaf and song holds a quiet kind of magic. May these pages carry a piece of the forest, still wild and full of wonder. So I am going to work on this page today. This bright yellow page can only mean one thing to me, and that's bees. I forgot to say, this, I went a bit mad. So this will be stocked on the website along with the moss. So I'm going to break this down and sell this also. If like me, I just wanted a little bit for down here. So I've gone and got some bits ready. Now these flowers, they are lavender, but I do not have any purple. So I used my little magic machine and I made some flowers with, I just used this paper, but I do want to use this print. I do like that print. I'm also going to be using it last, my fence. I've got this, I bought this in brown and white, but I don't think it's going to stay stuck down because of the wire behind. So my plan is to use, I know it's going to notice, but I was going to use 2 brads and then try somehow to hold it in place. I know the other side it will notice, but I can cover it with something. That's my plan. What else I've got? I've got a few stickers. I've got some yellow tags. Or I could use this as a pocket and then decorate some tags and put in. I could do that, couldn't I? But it's too long because I do want to put some, I want a sun, but I have got a lovely sun, and I do have a beautiful bee I want to use as well. So I'm just going to cut that down a little bit. Remember, all scraps of paper keep. So I do want to use some of this. I'm hoping my fabric glue will let it stick down. I've never used this before. Do you pull it out like this and then stick it down? Let's cut some off first of all, and we'll figure it out as we go along. I've never used this before. Is that what it's supposed to do? If I stick some down, with the fence. That's what my plan was. Ooh. I want to put these flowers coming up as well. So I need the image to go. Isn't it fiddly? Isn't it fiddly? I'm just trying to think of a way to keep that through. Where's the one I opened? I had one that I did open, didn't I? What have you done with that, Claire? Oh gosh, what have I done with it? There it is. Let's see. Yes, I'm just making this up as I go along. You can tell I'm new to journaling. Right, let me see what that looks like the other side if I do that. Will that hold him? That will hold it in place. So if I just lift that up. Just squeeze some of that there. It'll just help keep it in place. Just make another hole. Down here. Is that where I want the hole to be? There we go. Hope that hole's in the right place. Have a look. Has that gone in the hole? Right, let's see how that goes. So a little bit does go a long way. Oh gosh, I'm gonna need a vacuum afterwards. So I've got this, and I think what I might do is glue along here, here and here, and turn it into a pocket, and then I think I'll just do the one. I'll decorate one tag and pop in. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So we'll just make it that pretty picture of the bee. Decide how we want those. gives it almost a 3D effect. Okay, I am back. It's actually the next day. Look at this lovely mandala bee. So I am going to create another pocket on here to be able to store some things in. But before I do, oh gosh, that stuff goes everywhere. That moss goes everywhere. Got this lovely bee print, so I'm just going to try and thread it through. There we go. Right, which way do I want? Let's do it that way. Right, this is still drying, but I will put that there or let that dry. So let's go on to this one. I'm going to create a side pocket. So we've created a pocket at the side. Now what can I put on the top? I'm going to just pop a paper clip there so we can tag some things. So I can add some things in a pocket. So I think that will do, and then when this dries, that can go in here. If you're interested, I'm about to make some earrings that will go with the bee theme. They're not bee charms, they're just bee inspired crystal earrings you may be interested in. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I do lots of jewelry tutorials, but just watch the videos that you like. And if you can, leave a comment down below. It just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction, and they share my videos out to more people, which helps my small channel grow. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and as always, happy crafting.